A revolutionary business model powered by speed, simplicity, and design. When your customers want a pergola, they seek both aesthetic harmony and practical functionality. They dream of a custom-sized system that perfectly complements their home. However, custom-sized projects can take weeks or even months using traditional methods. This means delays for your customers and lost time for your business. Thanks to our innovative business model, you can turn custom-sized pergola requests into reality in just 60 minutes. Palmiye Box System is built to durable all-weather conditions, with materials neatly organized on shelves, using only one cutting machine in a small workspace. You can deliver your customer's dream in the same day. This allows you to meet both customers' needs and customer expectation. This business model is applied across 3 unique products, each designed for different levels of comfort and performance. Motion, the world's best manual pergola. Patented innovation and award-winning design redefine simplicity with elegance. Motion X, the single motor version, powered by Somfy for effortless control and everyday convenience. Motion X Plus, combining dual motor power with advanced insulation for perfect outdoor comfort. Build more than just a pergola. Join a growing global network.